Alright, so from the previous video, this is where we are on the BMW X6. And this video was made a few months back, so it's not recent. This was about 3 months ago when we were working on the car, when we just got the car and we started working on it. But I must say the journey has been pretty rough, because this is the first of its kind that we're doing, like a BMW, a German vehicle, and it's proven quite stubborn for what it is. We have had tons of headache, but we were determined and we were prepared and we were ready for whatever it threw at us. But yeah, here you can see that we are trying to find out what's wrong with the engine, because like as we stated in the previous videos, it was just cranking, but it wasn't starting. So we had to see what was wrong with the engine. So you can see here that we're taking the engine out of the car, and it's a diesel engine, inline 6 engine. So it's a straight line of 6 cylinders, 6 cylinders aligned in a straight line, and it's a diesel for a BMW with a twin power turbo. So it's a single turbo but with twin power. Anyway, so here you can see I'm working with my dad and one of his apprentices to try and figure out what is wrong with this baby. That's what the cabin, the engine bay looks like. So at the time of recording this, like I said, this car has given us, well, I mean, not at the time, but it has given us so much trouble. And we actually found out that the engine was actually very bad. So it was damaged. It was totally out of commission. So we had to get a new one. Well, not a new one, but used one, and we had to get a completely different engine. So if you remember, I mentioned that the engine that was in the car before was a diesel engine. We decided to go in for a petrol one because the diesel engine has a history of not being good. So it breaks down pretty easily, and it always has this constant issue where it either has the crankshaft bearings burning or the crankshaft itself breaking. So we had to get a reliable engine, and after thorough research, we heard that the N52 engine, which is what you're currently seeing, is the perfect choice for the X6. And this N52 engine came out of a BMW X5, the chassis twin of the X6. So the X5 and the X6 share the same chassis design, and it's just the cosmetic that's kind of different. The engine that was previously in the car was the N57 engine, so it's a bit, advanced than this one, but it's less reliable, and it's diesel, so the consumption is a bit lower. But the petrol that we got is very well known for its durability. It's strong and it can go through anything you throw at it, and that is what we're aiming for, because we don't want any of you guys to buy this car and then start having engine problems. We want to make it the best as possible. So this is what it sounds like after we installed the engine. You can hear. Yeah, so not too bad, but this was only the beginning of the problems. We had a ton more problems after this. We had engine fueling problems, because as you know, we changed from diesel to petrol, so that comes with its own headache that I had to go through with my dad and all that. But with the help of an electrician, we were able to get this done. And as you can see here, we're test driving the car with the electrician after he has taken care of all this. Now keep in mind, this took months to fix. The electrical part, the engine conversion, everything took months upon months to get done. It took ages to get done, because this is a new car we've never worked on before. But yeah, at the end of it all, it came out pretty great. Alright guys, it's a Saturday, and yeah, I don't have much to say, but this is just progress report on the BMW X6. We're on our way to fix the tires, to change the tires. The tires are old and worn out. We've gotten new ones, and I'm just doing a few things, and then I will head out. I'm going with my boy Cisco Lala. It's in right here. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to change the tires and we're heading out right now. But I'm 3D printer, and then we're setting off. Ready? Okay. I think now we are sure that it's going, so don't have a problem. yeah. All right, so I think guys is the car is driving now. We've managed to fix the engine aspect, so the engine is fixed. We just have to clear a few codes and stuff, and it should be all good. But after we change the tire and the codes have been cleared, we're gonna check some few more things under the car, and then we're gonna move on to spraying. So, all right, so these are the tires. You can see they're all terrible. You can also see this one, very terrible. All bad, all worn out. So we're headed out to change them. If you take a look in the trunk, we have tires in here. That, the ones in there, back there. We're gonna change them out. And that's about it.
New tires in the good. The aux, then
Nice up back there.
Like it feels so smooth now. Like let's look at that.
Now the back light and the roast the BMW indicators.
Why then? What you do?
Pass.
What you do?
To turn it on, if I push and calm down. As I say, wait, if you don't turn the steering fully, if you turn the steering fully way straight, and you now go off. But if you don't turn them to say, I say, once if I turn them off by going the opposite direction. But your mistake, that's how you piano further, you go activate the other one. The one is all the share.
Okay.
Where the one off and where you make mistake, go push and go up. The best one has said. So if you push them lightly. Now why
like I've been trying support. Everyone like they know they don't even bother go on them. So it's just small push.
Yeah, so on that note, we are heading slowly to the end of the video. This is us at the place, the tire changing shop, and we changed all 4 tires because they were worn out. They needed to be changed. That was another step towards getting the car complete. But as we speak right now, the car is a bit, this is sort of a modern day. It's not back in time. This is like 2 weeks ago, as of the time of posting this video that we did this. So we're getting closer and closer to the end of this baby right here. She's gonna be done very soon. We're gonna keep the color white when it goes into spraying, so we're gonna keep it white just because it's cheaper. It reduces the cost, just so when we're selling it, it can also reduce the cost for the person that's gonna purchase it. We're also gonna keep the interior the same. I know we said we were gonna change that, but to reduce the cost for the buyer, we're gonna keep it the same. So the interior, we're just gonna do detailing. We're gonna take it to a detailing specialist to detail the interior, and everything is gonna look like a fresh car, like brand new, once we're done. So stay frosty, and we'll update you along the way. And I know you guys are eager to know how much it's gonna cost, and we'll keep you guys updated on that. And hopefully there's someone out there excited to get this car. But it is really coming out great, really great, and I'm super proud of what we've achieved here, me and my father and every single person that helped on this project.